Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we'll discuss how to install RMS 3 using the app portal. Now let's get started. This method is only applicable if this is the first time RMS is installed on a government computer or if the RMS 3 folder is removed from the computer. Utilization of the USACE app portal allows for users to install different applications that might be essential for daily work. This can only be accessed on a government network. In this demonstration, we have an open web browser and will navigate to https://appportal.usace.army.mil/esd. This page will now load the software app portal. From here, we will choose USACE RMS Launcher and click Add to Cart. As we can see, the shopping cart icon will now display number 1. Click on the icon and select the View Cart and Checkout button. We are now presented with selecting a target to download this launcher. Select the Me On Machine bubble with the system name displayed. It is important to verify that the computer name displayed is the same as the computer that you wish to install on. You can verify this by typing system information on your Windows search bar and selecting the application. A separate window should display the system name. Compare the names and click Next. Verify that the information looks correct and click Submit. We can now see the completed request along with the request order number for your records. You should receive an email from the core stating that this request has been received. It is recommended to leave your computer on and connected to the VPN until a second email stating that RMS was installed on your computer has been received. This process time varies depending on connection speeds and other factors. You may check the status of this installation by clicking View Status. This menu will give us all of the details of our newly created request, such as the order number, the target, status, and other information. Hovering over the action button allows for cancellation of the request if necessary. In summary, we discussed how to navigate to the app portal, how to properly verify system information, and how to request installation of RMS 3. We hope you found this information helpful, and thank you for watching.